Have you ever wondered why cross-platform development is gaining so much traction these days? Well, it's simple. It's all about efficiency and cost-effectiveness. Cross-platform development allows developers to write code once and deploy it on multiple platforms. This not only saves time but also resources, making the entire development process more efficient. Moreover, it ensures a consistent user experience. No matter the device or platform, users get the same look and feel, promoting brand consistency and user familiarity. Also, let's not forget about speed. With cross-platform development, applications can be brought to market faster. It eliminates the need to develop separate codebases for different platforms, which means quicker rollout of updates and new features. As we delve into the world of cross-platform development, two giants stand out: Flutter and React Native. Flutter, a product of Google, has been making waves in the cross-platform development scene. But why? Let's dive into the details. Firstly, Flutter uses the Dart language, a robust, object-oriented programming language that is easy to learn, yet powerful in implementation. Dart brings to the table strong typing, generics, and a rich standard library, making it an excellent choice for app development. Secondly, Flutter adopts a widget-centric design approach. Everything in Flutter is a widget, from buttons to padding, aligning with the philosophy that consistent and controlled customization is the key to stunning UIs. Now let's talk speed. Flutter's fast development cycle is a standout feature. The hot reload function allows developers to see the effects of their changes almost instantly, without losing the current application state. This feature significantly speeds up the development process and facilitates real-time testing and debugging. When it comes to performance, Flutter offers near-native speeds. Thanks to Dart and Flutter's ability to directly compile into native code, Flutter apps perform excellently, even on complex and demanding tasks. However, every rose has its thorns. Flutter does come with a steeper learning curve, especially for those unfamiliar with Dart. Moreover, Flutter's community support is less extensive compared to React Native, which can make finding solutions to obscure problems a bit more challenging. Despite its drawbacks, Flutter is a powerful tool for cross-platform development. But how does it stack against its main competitor, React Native? Stay tuned to find out. React Native, backed by Facebook, has been a popular choice for cross-platform development. But what makes it stand out? Well, one of the key features of React Native is its use of JavaScript. This is a language that's already widely known and used by many developers, which makes transitioning to React Native a breeze. Plus, it's dynamic and flexible, making development faster and more efficient. Another standout feature of React Native is its large support community. This means that, if you run into any roadblocks or need some advice, there's a good chance someone else has been there, done that, and can help you out. Now let's talk about the live reloading feature. It's a real game changer. It allows developers to see the result of the latest change instantly, without losing any of your current application state. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Let's delve into some of the disadvantages. React Native's performance can be a bit slower compared to Flutter. This is due to the JavaScript bridge, which is used to communicate with native components. This can sometimes result in a slight performance lag. Another area where React Native falls short is in memory management. The use of JavaScript can lead to higher memory usage, which can be an issue in complex, large-scale applications. React Native, with its strengths and weaknesses, remains a strong contender in cross-platform development, but how do these two compare head-to-head? Flutter and React Native, two giants in the cross-platform development world, but which one should you choose? Let's sum it up. Flutter, backed by Google, shines with its customizability, rich widgets, and great performance. It does, however, have a steeper learning curve and a smaller community than React Native. On the other hand, React Native, supported by Facebook, boasts a large community, easier learning curve, and the ability to use native components directly, which can be a game changer. However, it may lag behind Flutter in terms of performance and customization options. Each has its advantages and disadvantages, with the choice hinging on factors such as performance, ease of use, community support, and specific project requirements. Are you seeking high performance and customizability? Flutter could be your pick. Do you value a larger community and direct use of native components? React Native might be your go-to. Ultimately, the choice between Flutter and React Native depends on your specific needs and project requirements. Both have their strengths and weaknesses, but one thing is clear: cross-platform development is here to stay.